Today we're comparing Manus AI versus Claude to answer one big question: which AI thinks smarter? If you've been wondering which tool is better for reasoning, research, automation, or writing, this video will help you understand the difference fast. And if you enjoy clear, practical AI tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Let's start with Manus AI. Manus AI is designed as an autonomous AI agent, which means it can take a goal and break it into multiple steps on its own. Instead of just giving you an answer, it can browse the web, use tools, and complete tasks with minimal supervision. That makes it feel more like a digital assistant that actually does the work for you. Manus AI is especially useful for multi-step task automation, web research, market analysis, creating reports, end-to-end workflows, and AI agent-style tasks. So if your goal is to hand off a project and let the AI handle a sequence of actions, Manus AI is built for that style of work. It's not just about talking through an idea, it's about executing the idea. Now let's talk about Claude. Claude is built for advanced reasoning, problem solving, coding, writing, and analyzing large amounts of information. Where Manus AI focuses on autonomous action, Claude focuses on thinking clearly, responding carefully, and handling complex instructions with consistency. Claude is especially strong for complex reasoning, coding and debugging, long-form writing, document analysis, brainstorming, and technical explanations. If you need an AI that can stay consistent across long conversations or handle detailed documents without losing track, Claude is one of the strongest choices out there. So which one is smarter? The answer depends on what you mean by smarter. If smarter means better reasoning, deeper analysis, and stronger problem solving, then Claude is generally the stronger choice. It tends to excel when you need precise thinking, structured explanations, and careful responses. But if smarter means independently completing complex tasks and coordinating multiple actions, then Manus AI may be the better fit. It shines when the goal is not just to answer, but to act. That makes it ideal for people who want an AI that behaves more like an autonomous worker than a chat assistant. A simple way to think about it is this: Claude is often better at thinking through the problem, while Manus AI is better at doing the problem. Claude is the stronger choice for depth, logic, and language. Manus AI is the stronger choice for workflow automation and task completion. If you're a writer, developer, analyst, student, or anyone who needs careful reasoning and strong communication, Claude will likely feel smarter to you. If you're a founder, operator, researcher, or creator who wants the AI to carry out a process with fewer instructions, Manus AI may feel more powerful. The real takeaway is that both are smart, but they are smart in different ways. Claude is the better thinker, Manus AI is the better doer. And depending on your workflow, one may feel dramatically better than the other. If this comparison helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI you think is smarter, Manus AI or Claude. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.